Today on JiffyWiz, we're going to open Lego Mystery Packs. Welcome to JiffyWiz, everyone. My name is Andy Sharp. If you're new to this channel, we do Harry Potter DIY. We build props, we talk wizarding news, and sometimes we unbox the loot, and that's what we're doing today. We've got 10 of these Lego Harry Potter mystery figures. There's 22 in total, so we're going to see which ones I get. I'm hoping I get some of the rare ones. And if there's any repeats, you guys get them. It's a giveaway! Think about subscribing if you haven't already down below, and hit that little bell if you want reminders. We do new videos every single Monday, except for last Monday because it didn't automatically upload, so just skipped it, and we'll save that for another day. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna open each one separately. There's actually videos where you can like feel and see, kind of like guess which ones you get before you actually open them or buy them. I did not do that, so we're just going to be excited about what I find. All right, ready? Here we go. All right, first one. See what we get. Maybe I should get some scissors. Akio, scissors! Okay, let's see which one it is. I'm hoping for a mix of Fantastic Beasts and Harry Potter. And our first one is... Oh, Voldemort, and his head fell off! Oh. Voldemort and Nagini. Cool. All right. Very auspicious start. Let's go ahead and put them together real quick. First one, Voldemort. Or Voldemort, I guess, technically, right? Voldemort? Voldemort. Number two. All right, number two is, looks like, I think it's Queenie Goldstein. All right, number three. Another Voldemort. You know what that means? One of these is yours. All right, right now, the first person to comment and it says, I want Voldemort, gets it. That's all you have to do. The first comment, Voldemort, is yours. Number four. Number four is... Ooh, Credence. Credence, barebone. He's got two heads, faces. So that's his regular face, and then here's like the obscura face. Number five coming up. Number five is... We got Cho Chang, everybody. We got Cho. There's Cho Chang with a little owl. Number six, here we go. Guys, guess what? We have another repeat. It's Queenie number two, which means you guys have a chance to win her. All you have to do, first person to comment, says Queenie down below. Can't be the same person that does Voldemort though. There'll be two winners. Or 3 or 4, how many repeats I get. Alright, first person to put Queenie down in the comments gets Queenie. Okay. Alright, so we got two Voldemorts, two Queenies, a Credence, and a Cho Chang. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Number 7 is... Alright. Another Queenie. Yay! I'm glad you guys are getting all these free figures, but I kind of wanted a couple of more different ones. Okay, so we got a second Queenie. So the first person that puts Queenie 2. Queenie number 2. Can't be the first person that put Queenie or the Voldemort winner. Queenie number 2. That's the third giveaway. I'm super happy for you guys. Number 8. is going to be... Hey, we got something different. It looks to be, yep, we have Malfoy. All right, Malfoy, that's number 8. All right, we have 2 more left. Here we go. Here we go. Number 9. I'm hoping for a Harry Potter. I'm hoping for a Newt. Hoping for a Dumbledore. And it is... It's another Credence! You guys win again! Alright, the first person that puts Credence down below in the comments gets the Credence. Again, can't be a repeat winner. Credence Clearwater. Credence Barebone. We're down to our final figure. Could it be another repeat? Could you guys be a 50% winners? Who knows? Okay. Let's see. Blowing on for luck. And the last figure is... Credence number 3, right? But it's number 2 giveaway. So Credence number 2, put it down in the comments below. I have 5 minifigures to give away. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox these minifigures. If you guys liked this video, I might buy another 10 and we'll do the same thing again. Maybe I'll get all 22. All I have to do apparently is buy 44 because 50% of them will be repeats. But that's okay. We got some cool figures and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like to follow me on social media, I'm at JiffyWiz. I also have a Etsy store with Harry Potter inspired art for sale. Check that out in the description below. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe right over there in that green dot. We do new videos every single Monday. I hope to see you guys back here. Mischief managed.